Hi everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Daily we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today it's a Friday market September 8 buy call generated, so green signal is going on. It's an automatic call generator, it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls. So how you are watching the video right now, you are going to watch the chart, get the call and place the order in your broker account. Manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. Today we have received a buy call at 45,127 and the first target is more than a 100-point target. Second target is more than a 200-point target. Below red color line is the stop loss line, important one. And daily basis it will give calls like this in live market. So you can watch the chart and get the calls. Today 127 entry point, first target 240, more than a 100-point target. In 6 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out first target range. First 3 minute flat trading, small movement only, but from fourth candle in 3 candle it break out the first target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want to know the chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the details. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.